Hey everyone, welcome back. Looking for the best commercial meat grinder machine for your kitchen, restaurant, butcher shop, or food business? In today's video, I'm reviewing the top 6 commercial meat grinder machines that deliver powerful performance, durability, and excellent value. Whether you're a home cook, fitness enthusiast, or professional chef, these heavy-duty grinders can handle large batches with ease. But before we get started, make sure to check the links in the description below if you want to know the latest prices and additional information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our latest top product, Kitchen Product Insights. Product number 1, Commercial Meat Grinder Heavy Duty. The Commercial Meat Grinder Heavy Duty is designed for users who need reliable grinding performance for large quantities of meat. Equipped with a powerful motor and durable metal construction, this machine efficiently processes beef, pork, chicken, and venison. Its high-capacity feeding tray allows continuous operation, making it ideal for restaurants, butcher shops, and serious home users. One of its standout features is its sturdy stainless steel grinding components that resist corrosion and ensure long-lasting performance. The grinder comes with multiple grinding plates, giving you flexibility for coarse, medium, and fine meat textures. Easy assembly and cleaning make maintenance simple, even after heavy use. Whether you're preparing burger patties, homemade sausages, or bulk meal prep recipes, this heavy-duty meat grinder provides consistent results while saving time and effort. It's an excellent option for anyone looking for commercial-level grinding power and durability. Product number 2. Anatol Commercial Electric Meat Grinder. The Anatol Commercial Electric Meat Grinder combines power, efficiency, and convenience in a compact commercial-grade design. Featuring a strong electric motor, this grinder can process large amounts of meat quickly while maintaining consistent texture and quality. Built with stainless steel components, it offers excellent durability and easy cleaning. The machine includes multiple cutting plates and attachments, allowing users to create everything from ground beef to homemade sausages. Its user-friendly controls make operations simple for beginners and professionals alike. The Anatol grinder is especially popular among home cooks and small business owners who need dependable performance without taking up excessive space. Safety features such as overload protection help extend motor life and improve reliability during long grinding sessions. If you're looking for a versatile commercial meat grinder that balances power, quality, and affordability, the Anatol Commercial Electric Meat Grinder is a strong contender. Product number 3. 0.5 HP Commercial Quality Stainless Steel. The 0.5 HP Commercial Quality Stainless Steel Meat Grinder is an excellent choice for users who need dependable grinding performance for moderate workloads. Powered by a durable half-horsepower motor, it efficiently handles various types of meat while maintaining smooth operation. Its full stainless steel construction enhances durability, hygiene, and corrosion resistance. This grinder is particularly well suited for home kitchens, small restaurants, and specialty food preparation. Multiple grinding plate options allow users to customize texture according to their recipes. Despite its commercial quality design, the machine remains compact enough for smaller workspaces. Cleaning is straightforward thanks to removable grinding components and a simple assembly process. Whether you're making burgers, meatballs, sausages, or meal prep ingredients, this grinder delivers reliable performance and professional quality results. It offers a practical balance between power, size, and affordability for many users. Product number 4. 1.3 horsepower stainless steel commercial meat grinder. If maximum grinding power is your priority, the 1.3 horsepower stainless steel commercial meat grinder deserves serious attention. Its powerful 1.3 horsepower motor allows it to process large quantities of meat quickly, making it ideal for commercial kitchens, butcher shops, and high-volume users. The grinder's stainless steel construction ensures durability, food safety, and long-term reliability. It includes multiple grinding plates and cutting accessories for a wide range of meat processing applications. The large feeding tray minimizes interruptions and increases productivity during busy operations. This model is engineered for demanding workloads and can handle tougher cuts of meat with ease. The efficient motor design helps maintain consistent grinding performance while reducing strain on the machine. For professionals and serious users who need exceptional capacity and power, this commercial grinder offers impressive performance and excellent value. Product number 5. Commercial Meat Grinder number 8 for home use. The Commercial Meat Grinder number 8 for home use is specifically designed for users who want commercial-grade performance in a home-friendly package. Its compact design makes it easy to store while still providing enough power for regular meat processing tasks. This grinder handles beef, pork, poultry, and other meats efficiently, making it perfect for home cooks, hunters, and meal prep enthusiasts. Multiple grinding plates provide flexibility for creating different textures and recipes. The durable metal construction enhances longevity, while removable parts simplify cleaning and maintenance. Its straightforward operation makes it suitable even for beginners who are new to meat grinding. If you're searching for an affordable commercial-style meat grinder that fits comfortably into a home kitchen, the number 8 model delivers excellent convenience, versatility, and performance without overwhelming your workspace. Product number 6. Too Good number 12 Commercial Electric Meat Grinder. The Too Good number 12 Commercial Electric Meat Grinder rounds out our list with impressive power, efficiency, and versatility. Built for demanding workloads, this machine features a strong motor capable of processing large quantities of meat quickly and consistently. Its durable stainless steel construction promotes hygiene and long-lasting reliability. The grinder includes multiple plates and accessories for creating different meat textures, sausages, and specialty recipes. A large feeding tray improves productivity while reducing preparation time. Users appreciate its balance of commercial performance and user-friendly operation. The machine is suitable for home cooks who process large batches as well as small businesses seeking dependable grinding equipment. Whether you're preparing fresh burgers, sausages, or bulk meal prep ingredients, the Too Good number 12 Commercial Electric Meat Grinder offers outstanding value and performance for serious meat processing needs. Thanks for watching our top 6 commercial meat grinder machines review. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment with your favorite grinder, and subscribe for more product reviews. Don't forget to check the links below for pricing and details.